Hi, I'm Emily from Attitude, and today I'm going to show you how to apply Oceanly's Phyto-Oil Night Oil for best results. For a little extra nourishment, depending on the season, I like to incorporate this into my night routine. I'll put this on after my serums or face creams, really depending on how my skin's feeling when I need that little extra boost. To get the product out, it's super simple. You just insert your finger and you gently push up the product. Always make sure that your product is high enough so when you're doing your application, your packaging stays super dry and mess-free. And this packaging specifically is amazing in this line because everything's made out of no plastic. You have solid sticks with cardboard that's biodegradable, so you have no waste. I like to apply to my forehead, cheeks, chin, neck. I also like to apply on my chest for little bonus points. What's so great about this line is that it is all solid products and made out of super clean ingredients, but high performing ingredients, which is amazing because the products are super effective. So I've rubbed it all in, gently massaged it in. I love that the product is made with amazing oils like evening primrose and grapeseed oil. These are super rich in polyphenols, omega-3, omega-6, and they also help restore your skin's moisture barrier. It also has algae extracts, which is great when it comes to improving the signs of dry skin. And the final result is super nourished and silky skin. Can't wait to go to bed when my skin is feeling so soft and smooth. Definitely try it out when you need that little extra boost with your dry skin. And thanks for watching.